was your girl.
Let's get ready to go to the movies. I'm gonna take my daughter to go see Minions. So I'm just gonna do a quick little get ready with me. First, I'm gonna start out with the Glazing Milk by Rhode. Just to wake my face up a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. I absolutely love this brow freeze. It is so good. I'm still debating because we're just going to the movies and it's super casual. So I don't know if I'm actually going to do my eyebrows. Hence, you like my little... I love some heatless rollers. They just save time on everything. I really do. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do my eyebrows, but we'll see. At least they'll be primed and ready. Speaking of prime, if you are new here, Danessa Myricks, she is always my go-to. Like, I just absolutely love this. This universal, oh my gosh, universal blurring balm powder. I have this and I have the Radiant, and I have several in like the travel size as well. Now I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Concealer, and this is in the shade Amande, just to cover up my hyperpigmentation, just where needed. And actually, I'm going to put this underneath my eyes also. And I do believe it is a Rhode summer, so I am going to go with my Rhode Highlight Glazing Milk, and this is in the shade 4. I just want to give that a good shake. I usually put it in my hand, but lately I have been using it. Oh my gosh, it just fell down on my shirt. R.I.P. It's okay. But lately I have been putting it on my face, and I do like how it comes out with that. And I just go ahead and use a flat brush just to disperse that. And whatever is left over, I like to go ahead and just rub that over my eyelid as well, because I want my eyelids to be glowy too. Why not? For eyes, I'm going to be using Mocha Mami. Like, it's just, you know, Mocha Mami. I'm to the pan. I'm to the pan. It is so good always. And it just does what it needs to do. You know, it covers up any little imperfections and gives just a little bit. It just shows that I'm trying just a little bit. And this is why I need to clean my brushes, because that brush had leftover like green flakes on it. So I don't know if you can even see. I have like little green flakes. Clean your brushes, girls. Clean your brushes. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer. Today I'm going to be using Fenty We're Even concealer. I believe this is shade number 425W, which is closest to my skin tone, but that is fine. It'll give me what I need. And I'm just going to put a little here and here. And I'm going to let that dry down and then move on to bronzer. And for bronzer, I'm going to be using Rhode, and this is in the shade Shade. And I'm just going to put that on the back of my hand and then rub that in. And just do a light tap. Yes. It is giving all the feels. I'm going to blend out that concealer, and to blend that out, I'm going to be using my Makeup by Mario. This is the Surreal Skin Spray, and I'll just spray my beauty blender and go ahead and start blending out from my nose and then working upward. And for blush today, I'm going to be using my Rare Beauty, and this is in the shade, can I talk? That is in the shade Virtue. Nice little peach color. And a little bit on the nose, because why not? I went and added a little bit more because it just blended out very lightly. And then I'm going to bring that over to my eyelid as well, just to give a little more sheen. And for my loose powder, I'm going to be using Black Opal, and this is in the shade 400. Probably like one of my favorite parts about makeup is when you put that loose powder on and you just see how everything is just coming together. Like, do you see that? That is stunning. And on top of that, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me. This is in shade 330. I think I will draw in my eyebrows very lightly. So I am going to be using my NYX Professional, you know, eyebrow pencil. Oh my gosh, my brain be going blank sometimes. And this is in the shade Espresso. And for lashes, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Extensionist. Love this. This is so good for a drugstore. The applicator on this is just everything. It just gets all those little lashes. So good. I mean, look at that. Ooh, I'm about to poke my eye out trying to show y'all. Hold up. And so to set everything, I'm going to be using my Fenty Mist spray. Just go ahead and shake that up. even though it is so hot here in Florida. Like, I really want just the mattness of it all, but you know, we still want to set and be cute. Last but not least, for the lips, I'm going to be using my Limitless Brown by Makeup Forever and NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Butterscotch. All right, and there you have it. Here's the finished look. What do we think? It's just simple and sweet. You know, like I said, we're just going to the movies, but we may do something after as well. The stain here is killing me on the shot. It's killing me softly. But anyway, thanks for watching, and to be continued.